we back and we back and we back. It's your girl Sunny and I am back at it again with another video. Today's video I will be reviewing the Red Iguana practice hands for nails in the color Ana Luisa. I don't want to hold up too much of your time. It's going to be a pretty short video today, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. So this was actually the very first time I opened this box when I filmed this video back in like November, before I even started doing YouTube. I figured it would be best just to unbox it in a show and tell type fashion. So I'm just showing you all of the contents that came inside my box. So the first thing that I'm opening up is this clear builder gel that came for free because I spent a buck ton of money. But we'll get into pricing a little bit later in this video. However, when I tried to open this up, it was so hard to get open for good reason, because this product, it leaks out of this container like no one's business. It's not even funny. And I used to use it to like put on stones, but I don't like the way it holds. I think 𝗵 clear holds better for stones, so I really don't even use this as much, but they gave it to me for free, so thanks, Red Iguana. But let's get into these hands, or actually let's get into this packaging. So I love Red Iguana's packaging. It is pink and marble, kind of like my colors for what I want my brand to be. And it just goes with my like desk setup so nicely. So I actually use the pink box to kind of display my hands. I just put my hands right on top of the pink box and it just kind of goes with all my decor. So I love it. But here are the hands. So my boyfriend just could not stop touching them because they looked so real. So I actually left that in the video. But I am just unbagging these hands, getting, you know, this lint that just came off the bag off of them. And here they are. So I got a full right hand, as you can see right here. And then I also got the full left hand. So as I'm looking at this hand, it's so realistic looking. Like the Ana Luisa, I first chose this color because I wanted something that was my skin color. So I figured that I don't know what the next color up would have been, maybe like Liza or something, but I just thought it would have been too light. So I got this one. It's much darker than me, but no problem. I love this skin color. It is so pretty. You know, the palms don't match, you know, because usually palms are lighter than the actual top of the skin, but no problem. As you can see, these are the posable fingers, meaning there's a wire interconnected to all of the fingers, allowing you to kind of bend them and shape them however you'd like to pose them. And I am unboxing the left hand. Look at this. So I did see when I was reviewing Red Iguana hands when I wanted to purchase that people were saying that the nail beds were really small. But I don't actually think they're all that small, because I'll tell you that the thumb is usually like a 0. I usually do 2 of the nails. I'm not sure if it's the like ring finger and the index finger, but I usually do 2 of the nails that are like a 4, and then the middle finger that's a 5, and then the pinky, which is like a 8, 9. So I don't think that the nail beds are all that small, but so yeah, oh my god, this hand is so nice, you guys. Like, look, I'm trying to get an up close on this texture for you. I mean, I know that she probably just took a mold of her hand, so like honestly I probably could like go use her fingerprints or something. No, I'm joking, don't do that. But this hand is so pretty. Now, there are some slight imperfections, none of which I'm going to complain about, but like, you know, there's like some dents, some holes that you can kind of see around the nail bed. There are some like slight imperfections throughout like the hand itself, like if you flip it over. But there's nothing too much to which I would complain for, because I know that like doing molds isn't an exact science, so there's that. Also, I saw that people were saying that these hands were really small. And they really aren't. They're like the size of my hand. To tell you the truth, my hand, I think, is smaller, but my fingers are longer, or my fingers are longer and my hand is smaller. I'm not 100% sure, but these are kind of nice sized hands too. As you can see, what I'm doing in the video right now is just trying to see how far back my extra long tips could go. I will do another video probably right after this one that shows you how to just apply tips to these hands, because I'll be seeing people say that they are gluing fingernails to these expensive behind hands. Like, y'all must have money to burn to be putting fingertips, Gorilla Glue, any type of glue on these nail beds. These $179 worth of nail beds, and you guys are gluing on fingertips? Oh, heck no. No. We're going to put a stop to that in my next video, so definitely look out for that. Make sure you're turning on your post notifications so that you get alerted for any videos that I obviously put out in the future, because that will be the next one. We are no longer gluing fingernail tips to these nail beds, okay? 2021, we are stopping that. Sorry, just a rant, because that used to drive me crazy. But you're seeing me kind of like size this up in my hand, because again, I was seeing a lot of reviews where people were saying these hands were small, and when you watched me kind of like put it in my hand and place it in my hand, you saw that like they're kind of the same size as my hands. So now, another thing, kind of going back to my nail tip rant, there is one problem I do have with Red Iguana. For the price of these hands, they should include tips. Yes, I do have that problem. Tips do not actually come with these hands. You do have to purchase them separately. So I will show you a method that doesn't require Red Iguana tips, but I'm kind of upset that they're so expensive and they don't come with them. Outside of that, I noticed that the ring finger on the right hand was a little kind of wonky with the wire. Not that I'm gonna complain, but I did watch another review where some girls like wear and tear for her hand like had the wire sticking out the bottom of the finger. So if any finger was gonna have that happen, I figure it's going to be that ring finger. But my hands have really been holding up, so I will make sure that I do, like, again, the application of a tip and kind of like what they look like after a couple of months, just to show you guys how they hold up. So thank you guys all so much for watching and for all of your continued support on my previous videos and the videos to come. Stay tuned for that coupon code so you can save some money with these hands. And again, if this video is at all helpful, please make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That helps more people find my content. If by chance I didn't answer maybe a question you had about these hands in this video, feel free to comment that question down below, and also make sure you subscribe. Oh, and don't think I forgot, make sure you hit that notification bell, because we are not gluing tips onto these nail beds 2021. I hope you all have a sunny day. Bye bye. I'ma say goodbye now.